Hello my friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Best. In today I will show you a very beautiful and useful video for you. You see in this video very beautiful earrings designs. Some earrings is so simple you can wear in your office, and some earrings are very special. You can wear these earrings birthdays, wedding parties, office and anywhere. These beautiful craft earring will look great on you. This crochet earrings, many things have been used to make these earrings, such as silk thread, sequins, pearls and more much. Those who know the work of crochet can easily make it. And my friends who do crochet business can take designs and ideas from my video and grow their business. In this video you see 100+ designs. You can see my videos and catch the designs and ideas and color schemes. You make easily things with crochet work. Crochet is the very beautiful work. It's so decent work, and this time is very demanding work. Personally, I'm very like this work. Friends, if you like my videos, please share with your friends and relatives and subscribe my channel, support me and comment me. Your comments is so beautiful and so important for me. Take care. Bye.